Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an incredibly exciting topic that's reshaping the way companies find and hire talent. That's right, we're talking about revolutionizing recruitment, AI and automation in the spotlight. With the rapid advancement of technology, AI and automation have emerged as game changers in the HR landscape. So, if you're curious about the future of hiring and want to stay ahead of the curve, you've come to the right place. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all things recruitment and HR. Now, let's jump right into it. Before we delve into the details of AI and automation in recruitment, let's quickly understand the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human cognition. On the other hand, automation involves using technology to streamline and execute repetitive processes without human intervention. AI and automation have significantly impacted various industries, and recruitment is no exception. Gone are the days of sifting through mountains of resumes manually. Today, AI-driven applicant tracking systems can analyze resumes, screen candidates, and identify the best fits for a role in a fraction of the time. One of the most significant benefits of using AI in recruitment is its ability to remove bias from the hiring process. Traditional hiring methods might inadvertently favor certain demographics, but AI algorithms evaluate candidates based on their qualifications and skills alone, promoting a more diverse and inclusive workforce. Now, let's shed light on how AI-powered chatbots are transforming candidate engagement. These virtual assistants provide instant responses to candidates' queries, keeping them engaged throughout the hiring process. Whether it's scheduling interviews or providing feedback, chatbots enhance the candidate experience and save recruiters valuable time. In addition to chatbots, AI-driven candidate sourcing is revolutionizing the way recruiters find potential candidates. By analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources, AI algorithms can identify passive candidates who might be the perfect fit for a position. This proactive approach to recruitment widens the talent pool and ensures that organizations don't miss out on exceptional talent. Beyond the initial screening, AI can conduct video interviews and analyze candidates' facial expressions and tone to gauge their suitability for a role. Such data-driven insights help recruiters make more informed decisions and identify candidates with the right cultural fit. Furthermore, AI and automation have introduced a new era of candidate assessments. By using online tests and simulations, recruiters can evaluate candidates' skills and abilities more accurately. These assessments not only save time but also provide a fair and objective evaluation of each candidate's potential. However, it's essential to strike the right balance between technology and human touch. While AI can streamline processes and increase efficiency, human interaction remains crucial in understanding a candidate's motivations, aspirations, and personality traits. Building rapport and trust with candidates during interviews can lead to stronger employee engagement and longer-lasting employment relationships. As AI and automation continue to evolve, they will reshape how we identify, attract, and retain top talent. Companies that embrace these technologies gain a competitive advantage by attracting high-quality candidates swiftly and efficiently. So, what does the future hold for recruitment in the age of AI and automation? Predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms are expected to play an even more significant role. These technologies will enable organizations to anticipate their hiring needs and identify the best strategies for talent acquisition and retention. Moreover, AI-driven platforms will facilitate continuous learning and development for employees, fostering a culture of growth and innovation within organizations. And that concludes our discussion on revolutionizing recruitment, AI and automation in the spotlight. We hope you found this in-depth exploration into the future of hiring insightful and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your peers. Have you encountered AI or automation in your job search or hiring process? We'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. If you want to stay updated on the latest trends in recruitment and HR, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you never miss our future content. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy recruiting!